Hey guys, I'm Amit Kumar and welcome to this free course of Apex Programming Level 1. This is section 1 and in this video I'm going to introduce you about the course itself. So this whole course is actually divided into 3 sections. The first section, which is introduction, is going to introduce you about the course, about the trainer and about the Udemy review system. The second section is introducing programming, where we are going to discuss about what is programming, programming languages, logic building tools, control structure including sequential, decision and loop control structure. And in the third section, we are going to focus on introduction to Apex, where we will see what is Apex, the core concepts of Apex, the working with Apex, getting your own developer org and using Apex with Salesforce user interface, developer console and Visual Studio Code. We are also going to introduce you about Apex tests in this section. Now, this course is for anyone who want to start their career as a Salesforce developer or who are already working as admin and want to enhance their skills in Salesforce development. This is a free course and that's why there is a restriction of 2 hours, and that's why I have divided the whole course into different levels. This is level 1, introducing you about the programming and about the Apex. So anyone can opt this course who is having no knowledge at all in the field of programming or who is beginning their developer career. Now each section will provide you a proper explanation about the theoretical concept as well as the practical approach of how to deal that specific topic. In the resource section, you can get the presentation slides in form of PDF along with the screenshots of all the practical explanation. Hope you will enjoy this course. That marks the end of this video. See you soon in the next video. Till then, thank you and take care.